Katie from Destination Wairarapa, letting you know what's coming up in the region this month. Well, February's a fabulous time to stay in the Wairarapa. The weather is settled and there's lots of key events on. Some of these include the Martinborough Fair, which is on at the beginning of February and is a terrific fun day out with lots of craft stalls radiating out from the Martinborough's famous town square. Also on is the Vintage Harvest Rally. This is a fun, affordable family day out happening on the 3rd and 4th of February. It's where a whole lot of vintage machinery will be based for 2 days at the Clearville Showgrounds. It's only $10 to get in and you can buy a ticket on the gate on the day. Also coming up on Waitangi Day on the 6th of February is the Terenika horse races. This is a great day out for everyone, an opportunity to pack up the family, pack up a picnic and enjoy a fun day out at the horse races under towering oak trees at the beautiful Terenika racecourse. Also on the 9th of February is a fabulous concert at the Solway Showgrounds featuring New Zealand's top performers, the Black Seeds and Kings. It's free for children under the age of 12 and it's only $20 for general admission tickets. You can buy tickets on the night or through Event Finder. The Masterton A&P show is also coming up on the 17th of February. This too is held at the Solway Showgrounds. It's going to be a fabulous day out featuring farm animals, competitions and the Highland Games. You can also enjoy the smell of burning rubber at the Masterton Drag Racing Track on the weekend of the 17th to the 18th of February. This is called the Auckland Invasion Round, where a lot of top performing cars are coming down to the Wairarapa for 2 days of fast and furious racing. To round out the month of February, there's a fun race up at Mangatanoka, which concludes at the Tui Brewery. It starts in Palmerston North and it features running, cycling and mountain biking. This is organised by property brokers in Palmerston North, but a fun family day finishes at Tui Brewery. For more information you can find out on the property broker's website. In addition to these events, there's the ongoing exhibition being held at Aratoi, Wairarapa's Museum of History. It's a fabulous exhibition by Wellington artist Elizabeth Thompson and it's called Cellular Memories. For all this and other more minor events, please visit our website which is wairarapanz.com.